Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Alright, if you see my video before, definitely you know I'm talking about engineering stuff. But not today. Today, I'm going to demonstrate this COVID-19 self-test kit at home. Bought it from Lazada, and I believe every pharmacy will have this self-test kit. This is important nowadays because it is our responsible and safety to family. If we are outstation or you have long distance couple that you need to visit your parents, and this is good to have a test before you go back. A little knowledge for you: what is the difference with the CPR that you do at clinic or you do at home with this cell kit? For this cell test kit, we will have the accuracy of 91%, and the PCR that you do at the clinic or BP lab 98 or 99% accuracy. Today, I will demonstrate this and share about the 4 easy steps to follow, and you never waste your 40 ringgit. Oh yeah! The great news for you, government have changed the pricing from September 5th to 1990 cents. And the most important is, you cannot eat, drink or even smoke 30 minutes before you took the test. Step 1, you have to make sure you have 5 items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the box will have a pinch hole. You need to push.
For step 2, you need the collector cap and the small liquid container. Peel off the plastic and put on the collector cap. Split your saliva into the liquid container, and your saliva should be 1:1 ratio to the liquid inside. For step 3, exchange the nozzle cap with the collector cap and squish the liquid container 20 times. And also shake the liquid container approximately 20 times. Place it 5 minutes on the box for the chemical reaction. In step 4, you need to identify the reading. It's very easy. 2 lines will be positive, 1 line on top at the C will be negative. Is any other result more than that 2, like no line or 1 line below at the T2, will be invalid or failure, sorry to say that. Next, you need to drip 4 drips onto the tablet and wait for 15 minutes for your result.
I believe you have the result on your hand. The result will look like this. If you are negative, if you are positive, please follow the standard SOP from your country. Keep you and your family safe is our responsibility. Alright, if this video helps, please help to share or subscribe. If not, I will be seeing you on the next video. Alright, bye!